بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today is your maths class. This is your maths book. Okay, now today we are going to do the division. First, I am just mentioning the page. Page number is 94. 94. Exercise 6. Okay, question. Work out these sums showing the remainder Now the question we have 649. Okay, now first, as you know, division page number, open the page number 85. Division is equal sharing or equal grouping of numbers. Okay, now first of all, for example, if I'm just solving this question, okay, if I'm just solving this question, simply as we know, let's write the question over here, copy the question as it is, 49. Okay, now I am dividing this 49 by 6. So simply what will you do? In the table of 6, 49 is possible. So as we know, in the table of 6, 6 into 8 is equal to 48. Okay, 49 is not possible, so we can take the another number 48, because this one we can write over here. 6 into 8 is 48. After this, we will subtract these numbers. Now 9 minus 8 will be 1. 4 minus 4 will be nothing. The remainder is nothing over here. Now 9 minus 8, the remainder we have 1. So first of all, we have to know, this is the question. Answer we have quotient. This is the dividend. Dividend. This is a divisor. Okay, now then the remaining one we have the remainder, which one is remaining. Okay, this is the remainder. Okay, now as we know, dividend, the number, you can see on the board, this is the dividend inside value. The number to be divided is called the dividend. Now come on the divisor, outside this value, divisor, the number which divides is called divisor. Now come on the quotient, the result of dividing a number is called quotient. Now the remainder, if the number is not fully divided, the remaining number is called remainder. Are you getting what is remainder and what is quotient and divisor? I have explained you what is quotient and everything. Okay, now as you have to just know, if for example, if you are just remember this one, dividing. Okay, so if you are just take out the dividend, dividend equals to divisor multiply by quotient, remainder. Okay, now if you, for example, if you are just searching, if we are not sure if whether the answer to a division sum is correct, we can multiply to check. So if you are just searching for the dividend, so what will you do? For example, this is my dividend. So what will you do? Simply we know about it. Which one is the divisor in the question? This 6. So I am writing over here 6, and this is for the multiply sign, and the question is 8. So I'm writing over here. Okay, now after the remainder is 1. So I'm writing over here. Now 6 into 8 is 48, and plus 1. So it's 49. So this means the 49 shows that the division I have done is the correct division. Okay. Now if I am just doing this, whether the answer or the dividend here, we can say this is the correct or not. So you can just use it, and you can simply know how to know this is the correct one or not. Now after this, we have the another exercise. The remaining parts of this exercise, we will do it in the copy. This one A to E means this one start from here. One part I have just solved it on the board. The remaining parts A to E you will solve it in the copy. Now come on the page number 95. Start with the hundreds, then divide the tens, then divide the ones. First okay, now I can change the question. Okay, I can change the question simply. After this, we will do it in the copy. That one exercise I'm just telling you, you will do it in the copy. Now, okay, I'm writing the question on the board. Okay, question number 11, page number 95. Okay, start with the hundreds, then divide the tens, then divide the ones. Okay, now start with the hundreds, and then we will just move forward. Now first, for example, before we are doing solve this exercise, for example, the question you have 6 and the inside value is 639. So how will you solve it? You will simply solve one digit. Means first you will solve, as you know, this is the ones, tens, and then we are just move forward like this. So first what we will do, we will solve, start from the 100 as they have done on the question. Start with the hundreds, then divide the tens, then divide the ones. Now first 100, now 6 into, as we know in the table of 3, 3 is over here. 3 in the table of 3, 6 is possible, as we know. 3 into 6, okay, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now you will write over here. After the subtraction, after this one, the step 2 is we will subtract. Now here is nothing is there, because whenever we are subtracting the same numbers, we don't have anything. So after this we will just write this number, bringing down this number 3. Now single digit we will divide. Okay, now 3 in the table of 3, as it is possible, yes, 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Now subtract. Again we don't have any remainder. Now here is again what we will do, we will bringing down this number here, 9. In the table of 3, 9 is possible, yes. The 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Are you getting how will you solve if you have the 3-digit numbers? Is it easy for you? What you will do, you will first divide the first digit hundreds place, then 10, then move forward by single digit, you will simply divide it. Okay, now just come on the exercise. The question we have, okay, now the question we have, for example, 8, 8, 4 and the 8. Now we can easily divide it. Now, okay, 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Then we will do the subtraction. Simply 0 is over here. Okay, now then after we will just bringing down the one digit 4. Now in the, we know about it, this here is 8 and here is 4. We cannot divide it, so because in the table of 8 4 is not possible, so here I am writing here 0 and bringing down this 8. Now 8 into 6 is equal to 48. Now we don't have any remainder, so we will write over here 0. Okay, nothing will be there, so we can write over here 0. Now after this, okay, now after this, the remaining parts of this exercise you will solve it in the book. Okay, the remaining parts of this exercise you will do it in the copy. Okay, this remaining parts A to E, A to D, you will solve it in the copy, and after this we have a bookwork of this related to this topic. Now first one is the page number 83. After this page number 83, then we just solve it. Page number 83. Okay, now this one, I have just told you which is the quotient, which is the remainder, and which one is the dividend. So now write the word which matches the circle. Now here is one has been solved on the book. Now circle one is 3. So this one, this is called the quotient. Now this one 8. 8 is circle. So what is this? This is a dividend or divisor. As I have told you, you will write over here. What is this? This is a divisor. You can write over, if you are thinking this is a dividend, you can write over here. The remaining parts you will solve it in the book. After page number 84, then you will do page number 83, you will come on the 84 page number. Now this is also solve the problems on each box quickly so that Beena can get her plate of cupcakes. Now you will simply divide it and you will get the answer. Okay, now page number 84. This is this one, this exercise just you will solve it. Okay, not this one. This one is you will solve it. This is the bookwork. Okay, now after page number 83 or 84, page number 93. Page number 93 we have. Okay, now this one, the select the correct answer from the given option. Now you have the options 8 divided by 8 and is you have the 4 options and you will just first divide it. Which one, what will be the answer, you will tick on it. Then after you have the question number 4, solve the following. Again you will simply divide it. Then you will just solve this one and you will write the answer in the book. Now page number 94. Okay, page number 94. Okay, this one is again your bookwork. You will simply divide and write the remainder. First you will divide it and write the remainder over here. Now come on the this exercise. Okay, this one fill in the blanks. This one 78 divide, then you will write it equal to 7 and remainder 8 is 8. Now I am just after this I am just telling you which how will you solve it. I am just writing if you are just finding the remainder, so what will you do? Yeah, if you are searching any other thing, means for example you have to just know about it. Now if you are just finding the quotient equals to dividend divided divisor. Okay, now this is very easiest way. If you are just finding the quotient, if you are just finding if the answer is correct or not, if you are searching quotient, so you will simply dividend divided divisor simply. Now if you are searching divisor, you have to just remember it now. Dividend divide by quotient. I don't have a space, so I'm writing over here. Now quotient. Then we have the dividend. As I have told you, dividend, the dividend, and I have solved as well how to find out the dividend. Simply you will write over a divisor multiply by quotient, then plus remainder. Okay. Now, if you have the question, as I am just telling you the question number, this one. If I am just telling you this one question, fill in the blanks. So you can easily solve this question by using that one. Is I have just written on the board. The question is equal to dividend divided by divisor. Divisor equals to dividend divided by quotient. Now, if you are just find the dividend, so you simply you will simply just dividend equal to divisor multiply by quotient, and the remainder you will just add it. Now you can simply just divide it